Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting inside the Google Assistant settings. Do that now. Open the Google app or long press Home to bring up Assistant, then tap your profile photo and choose Settings. Once done, go to Google Assistant and confirm the active Google account at the top so you're changing the right profile. Make sure the device is unlocked and connected to the internet. These conditions let the options appear. Now move to Voice Match in the next step to remove the saved voice data. You're in Voice Match now. This is where Google stores voice models. Scroll to Voice Match and tap it to reveal devices and the saved voice profile. Once visible, select the specific device or the phrase model you want to delete. Phones and smart speakers appear separately. Tap the item, then choose the option to delete or remove Voice Match. This action removes the voice model from that device, so Assistant won't respond to your specific voice until you set it up again. Confirm the deletion in the prompt to permanently remove your voice model. That's the final step. Once deleted, test by saying, "Hey Google," Assistant should no longer distinguish your voice. If the voice match option disappears or reappears after deletion, sign out and sign back into the Google account, restart the device, and update the Google app. These fixes force settings to refresh. If problems persist, remove the device from your account and re-add it. Then repeat the voice match removal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.